How's it going, folks? My name is Saif Bukhari and welcome to Prime ABGB, the Tech Heaven, where we bring you the latest and greatest in PC hardware and more. So make sure to subscribe to our channel if not already and click on that bell icon for all the latest video updates. We are excited to start off the new year with some high-end DDR5 memory kits for that shiny new 2022 build of yours. Whether it's a 12th gen Intel based rig or the upcoming AM5 offering by AMD, Prime ABGB have got you covered for the newest standard in memory with an assorted collection of brand new DDR5 RAM kits from G.Skill and a relatively affordable option by ADATA. Now before we begin, here's a quick note on what actually DDR5 SDRAM is and what are some of its benefits. DDR5 SDRAM or Double Data Rate 5 Synchronous Dynamic Random Access Memory is the newest standard in PC memory with focus on increased density and high bandwidth transfer rate with lower power consumption. Speaking of similarities to its predecessor DDR4 SDRAM, the DDR5 has the same 288-pin construction, but from there onwards, the similarities starts to diminish. And here's how. As soon as you hold one of these, you'd immediately notice that locking mechanism and the power management IC or the PMIC, which is actually on the RAM module instead of the motherboard. Now this helps in an overall lesser power draw, like approximately 10% less. Moving on with a quick look at some standard benefits as compared to DDR4, DDR5 is capable of bandwidths of up to 8.4 Gbps as against to the previous 3.2 Gbps. The standard voltage requirements is 1.1 V as compared to 1.2 V, again thanks to the PMIC. The dual 32-bit subchannels operate independently, hence resulting in a better efficiency and latency. DDR5 now can come with capacities as high as 256 GB per DIMM. There's also the ODECC or on-die error correction code, which further strengthens the overall stability. With that out of the way, let's quickly check the new RAM kits in stock. First, we have the 16 GB stick from ADATA with a relatively cheaper price tag considering the current market scenario. These sticks are rated at 1.1 V and are backed by a lifetime warranty. Up next are the non-RGB 32 GB kits rated at 5600 MHz with CL36 and are available in black and silver colors. And these are the RGB variant of the same kit, which are also rated at 5600 MHz with CL36. Now here comes the highest rated variant at 6000 MHz with CL40, again in 32 GB kit variant with RGB and non-RGB flavors. All G.Skill RAM kits carry 10 years warranty and are exceptionally well built with complementing aesthetics. To summarize, I'd say the immediate real-world benefit in gaming could be meager for now. However, for tasks where the increased bandwidth is vital, for example, compression, media rendering, etc., these kits are an absolute and secure investment. Yes, it is expensive at the moment, and yes, the performance difference in daily tasks isn't night and day. But if you are looking for that high-end, no compromise, enthusiast class-based gaming or workstation system, well, look no further. I'm Saif Bukhari signing off for now and see you in the next video.